how to recover snap streaks. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started. Now it's actually super simple, but it doesn't always work. But yeah, so you want to go to support.snapchat.com, and once you're here, click on Contact Us, and here you want to click on I've lost my snap streak right about there, and here you can see like a lot of text and explanation and stuff like that. So what you want to click on is here you want to scroll down and fill in your username, your email address, mobile number, device. So if you use like an iPhone or a Samsung, something like that, the French username when the issue started, so when your snap streak got lost, and how long it was. And here you can also click on did you see that like icon or not, and if there's even more information you want to explain to them, then fill that in here. And once you've done that, you want to click on send right there, and hopefully they'll get back to you in a couple of days maybe, and hopefully they'll fix it for you. Now like I said, this is not a 100% working fix. It does not always work, but for some people it actually did. So definitely worth a try in my opinion. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. Until next time, have a good day.